cells, stem cells in blood, creating to chondroblastic matrix, and cells are being formed, and they can chondrocyte divide or bone separate cartilage increasingly side. This so these diagram show कर रहा हूँ आपको दिखाने के लिए. Bone they increase cartilage matrix lead that will perichondrium out, and यही वाला जो chondroblast था that may get the position, maybe position somewhere here, then embedded within the lacuna. ठीक है. The next step में क्या होगा? One, it was chondroblast, now it has become chondrocyte. So within that lacuna, this chondrocyte divides into two chondrocytes, right? And after some time, they will separate their lacuna, or keep producing those those cartilage matrix pushed apart, because ये भी produce कर रहा है cartilage matrix, ये cell भी cartilage matrix produce कर रहा है, तो जब वो matrix produce होता जाएगा तो इन दोनों का हो जाएगा. ठीक है. In this one will be increased. ठीक है. This with the length is increased. वो जो मैंने पहले ड्रॉ किया था बोन का स्ट्रक्चर, long bone genus plates, this type of the development, interstitial growth, this type of the growth where this single plate or line like structure, the chondroblasts produce more matrix, they becomes thicker and thicker and thicker, right? So जब वो thicker होती जाएगी, say after some time this line will become here, the bone will be of this size maybe. Okay. So this is all this cartilage which has grown and then calcifies later to become the part of the bone. So the second is the appositional growth, which is a growth from the edges, right? So say if this is the bone, some bone, so this width, it has to be remodeled and increased into its width. So this width will be increased by appositional growth. So what happens? The similar mechanism, जो इस edges के ऊपर chondroblasts हैं, they start producing more and more matrix along this wall. Okay, that will push this wall away outwards, and the width of the cartilage will increase this into this. ठीक है. Sorry, मैं saying इसकी length भी increase होगी, length नहीं होगी actually increase. ठीक है. So width has been increased due to this